Here, closer.
See, Yousuf is going to roll down.
And I'm super fast.
And super fast.
Ow.
Oh.
Ow. I'm so dizzy.
You okay?
I'm so dizzy.
You're so dizzy.
I just like a puppy.
And this is you're in the park, Rendell Park, here in Markham. This is a nice park, and especially this table made. It is artistic. I like it. I really like it. All right. Oh, Yousuf is going again. What happened, man?
Wait, kids, watch this. I'm gonna be too fast.
Okay.
I'm gonna roll down the hill.
You don't have to roll down. Yeah, that's go. Run. Wow. You got tired? That's okay. Yeah, catch your breath. Oh, you're going to climb on the table? Okay. This table is really artistic, see? It's around kind of a stone stand.
Can you pick me up? Because I want to sit.
You want to go?
I can see the video.
You can see the video. You are on the table. Now,
look at that car. That's our car. And
really?
nobody got that car. So
Yeah, it's getting a little bit colder.
only that car.
That's
so
true.
I came to roll downhill.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit colder now. It is October 2019. The winter is around the corner.
How come it's the winter? Look, there's no snow.
I know, but it's gonna be cold slowly in about 2 months, I can say, because this is the end of September. October, November will be cold, and then there will be snowfall.
Snowy today?
No, not today. It will be by the end of November, like in the December. It will be snowy, yeah. Right?
Okay.
Mr. Yousuf, baby.
Hey, I'm gonna get off.
You wanna get off? Okay. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, let me see if you can jump.
No. Stop. Ow. My tongue keeps hurting a lot.
Why?
I don't know.
Show me. Show. I want to see on the video. I just keep hurting a lot, your tongue. Kids, can you see anything in Yousuf's tongue? No. That's nice. Again, Yousuf, how old are you? Yousuf, 5.5?
No, 6.
No,
6.
you will be 6 in January. Next January. Okay. You want to run and run? You're going to roll down again? Arr.
This time I'm gonna go slowly down.
Slowly?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ah.
Ow.
Oh, Yousuf is going slowly. Yousuf is going slowly. He is there almost. Yeah.
I cannot get up.
Why?
Help me.
How I can help you? I'm here.
I know, but get me up.
No, you have to get up by yourself. You can.
No.
I think you're strong. Are you strong?
No. Get me up.
Ah, I have to come down first. Hold on. What happened to you, Mr. Baby?
I fell down.
Ah, get up.
Okay.
That's funny.
I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Bye.
Where are you going? Yousuf? You said bye. Where are you going? All right, let's see. You want to go to the goalpost? Uh-oh. You're back? Yousuf, let's go to the goalpost.
Okay.
I just want to see, and I want to show kids that. Do you play soccer here?
No.
You want to play soccer here?
No.
I think you like to.
No.
Who is shouting? Some kids?
You're over there.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna be back.
This is soccer field too.
Oh, that broke?
Oh, no. That's how it is.
That means it has to go to here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, some of the kids are playing over there far away. Let's see.
Hey.
You can see them. And this is Mr.
Hey,
Mr. Okay, I'm trying to zoom 10 times, 10x. Yousuf is a little bit far away. And he is there. Okay, kids, we will make another video later on. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Yousuf, bye-bye.